All right, hey guys, how's it going? It is Thursday, May 16th, and I just wanted to make a quick video about the first day on this new Express funded account. Obviously, it was a red day. This is my 49th funded account with Topstep, so happy to talk about that in more detail, just not on this video. So if you're interested, let me know, drop a comment below, and we can go into that. But again, this is the first day on that 49th account. And like I said, it was red, so there were six total trades. They all failed, unfortunately. Not too bad of a red day, 1200, so not great, but not terrible. Let's take a look at the charts. So if you guys have been following the market lately, it's been pretty stale, right? Is a good way to put it. I had a friend say that to me lately. It's really indecisive. It did make new highs today, but overall, the past couple weeks, it's just been really choppy. Not a lot of great movement, like a lot of action, but not a lot of movement in price. So it's just a rotation. Hopefully, it moves out of it soon because markets like this are a little bit trickier to trade, especially when you're trading for larger moves like I typically do. Then you're holding on for a trade that never actually completes the way that you want it to. You'll see in the trades today that I did have nice profit in a couple of them, but I just didn't close at that profit because I was anticipating more. And that's something that I need to work on as a trader, is it really adapting to the current market. Like if it's just not offering big moves, then you have to take what it's offering. And sometimes that can be a little bit more difficult to do if that's not how you usually trade. But you can see going into the open, just a lot of back and forth, really not doing much at all here at the open right here. Just continued in that small chop. It's only about a 3 point range right there. Didn't do a lot. Finally, it moved higher, making new highs again here. So about 9 a.m. At this point, I was just looking for it to hold above this resistance area here to see if we were going to push a little bit higher. Just didn't happen. I did take a trade here, anticipating the same thing. I'm going to change this so it's easier for you guys to see right here, but again, just didn't happen. Lost a couple of points there. Hit it one more time, probably not the best idea, but we were still making higher lows and there was still a lot of pressure to the upside. So I was just anticipating a little bit more of a move to the upside here. Like I said, just didn't happen. And then here, the market continued lower, came back up to retest this prior resistance area, which you'll see it do a lot. Um, I still kind of had that upwards bias, so I did take a long here, but as soon as it reacted off of this support area, or excuse me, this resistance area, I was quick to bail on it. I did want to jump into the short, and I had an order here. It just didn't get filled fast enough. It dropped pretty low. At this point, I was cautious, but thinking, okay, it's probably going to move a little bit lower. At this point, I was watching an older pitchfork that I had here, and then just expecting it to move lower and maybe retest some of these levels that hadn't been retested yet. So that was kind of what I was anticipating with this short. And just didn't happen, pulled back a little bit deeper. I did try that again here, and you can see this one was a nicer move. It happened pretty quick. It stalled, unfortunately, about 2 ticks from my target, and it just straight up reversed at that point. So small loss here, but this trade right here, it could have gotten me back to break even for the day if I had closed it down here. I was just expecting a little bit more. I was also in the middle of a bunch of other things, which I don't recommend doing while you're trading, but not 100% focused at this point, and it pulled all the way back. At this point, I was thinking, okay, well, failed to go lower. Maybe it's going to go higher. Took a long here, anticipating it to move higher. This one I left alone. I had to leave, so I just left my stop and my target, and eventually this one failed here. So 6 total trades, total loss of just under 12 points. So you can see that with commissions and fees, that came out to be 1200 in the red. So we will see what tomorrow looks like. Hopefully this market moves out of this rotation and starts moving a little bit better. But if you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know.